Say I were to give you, or I were to tell you to find the derivative of log 2 to the x. Our first step here would be to recall the general base rule, which states that the derivative of log a to the x is equal to 1 over x ln a. And so now we can simply plug in a, which in this case is equal to 2, and our derivative will be equal to 1 over x ln 2. Let's try another example. Say I were to tell you to find the derivative of ln 3x. Our first step here would be to recognize that this has an inside and an outside function, so we're going to be using the chain rule. And we would recognize 3x as the inside function. So we can say u is equal to 3x. And now the chain rule is going to give us f prime of x is equal to u prime of x over u of x. Now, we said that u of x is equal to 3x, and u prime of x will be equal to 3. And then when the 3's cancel, our derivative for ln 3x is equal to 1 over x. Let's try another example. Let's use the chain rule once again. Say I were to tell you to find the derivative of ln x squared plus 1. The first step here would be to recognize that inside the log is a function, and we can represent that by u. So u will be equal to x squared plus 1. And then if we were to differentiate u prime would be equal to 2x. And then from here, we can apply the chain rule once again. F prime of x is equal to u prime of x over u. We said that u prime is going to be 2x, and then u is going to be x squared plus 1. And that's the derivative for that. Let's try 2 more examples. If I tell you to find the derivative of log 5 to the 2x plus 3. The first step, once again, is to recognize that we have 2 functions. We're going to be using the chain rule. And inside the log, u is equal to 2x plus 3. And then u prime, or that differentiated, is going to be equal to 2, since we use the power rule for the 2x. And then our last step here is to apply the rule once again for log base a. So f prime of x, or the derivative, is going to be equal to u prime of x over u of x and ln 5. Now this is going to be equal to 2 over 2x plus 3 and ln 5. One last example. Let's combine what we've learned so far. Say I were to tell you to find the derivative of ln x plus ln x squared plus 4. Our first step here is going to be to differentiate everything term by term. So for the first term, for ln x, the derivative of ln x is equal to 1 over x. That's something you're just going to have to remember. And then for the second term, the inside we have u is equal to x squared plus 4. And then if we bring the 2 in front of the x, u prime is going to be equal to 2x, and the 4 is going to be equal to 0. So then now we can simply apply the rule. So f prime of x, or the derivative, is going to be equal to 1 over x plus 2x all over x squared plus 4. So to wrap up, there's a few key takeaways. The derivative of ln x is always equal to 1 over x. You're just going to have to remember that. For other bases, include ln a in the denominator, and always apply the chain rule when the inside of the log is more complicated. I hope this video helped. Thank you.